Powerful moisturizer. Uncomfortable shoes, a fast-paced life, sports, your feet have to endure a lot every day and it's only natural that your heels end up cracked and dry. All natural ingredients. Including ever-powerful tea tree oil with impressive antifungal properties, this foot lotion also contains ingredients such as peppermint oil, aloe vera, eucalyptus oil and white willow to achieve all-round repair for your feet, the natural way. Non-greasy. The cream can be absorbed quickly, which can moisten your skin deeply and revitalize your dry skin cells. Not big size travel friendly. The cream can be used anytime and anywhere. Its small size design saves space, you can easily carry it wherever you are going to. Effectively relieve skin dryness and cracking. The ingredients of cream are skin-like ingredients which makes it easy to be absorbed. It's a good choice to apply this cream when your feet skin feels dry or after using foot file for removing dead skin. Top reviews from the United States. Dries clear. What I love about this foot cream is it doesn't leave a white residue if it's not rubbed completely into my skin and that it doesn't stain clothes. There is a light fragrance to this foot cream but nothing overpowering or that would cause a headache since I have a slight sensitivity to certain smells.